In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and enhance your security settings using the Hubspot User Guide platform. Whether you're new to Hubspot or looking to fine-tune your settings, these steps will not only walk you through the process, but also provide you with tips to do so efficiently and effectively. So, let's dive in. First, you want to open your web browser and head over to the Hubspot User Guide page. You can do this by typing or pasting the URL directly into your address bar. This page will serve as our starting point as we navigate through a few important settings. Once you're on the user guide page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Understanding the tools and resources available to you will make the entire process smoother. Next, you'll want to locate a highlighted section, which often directs you to the most crucial or frequently used areas. Click on the highlighted area. Highlights are useful because they can quickly bring attention to updates or essential features that you might want to check out. This feature helps Hubspot users stay updated with any significant changes or enhancements made to the platform. Now, the next step is to click on the Security tab. Why security? Well, it's essential to regularly review and update your security settings to protect all the sensitive information you might have on the platform. Clicking on this tab will bring you to a section where you can manage various security-related preferences. This includes setting how and when you're notified of any suspicious activity and verifying your account access methods. Once you're in the Security section, it's time to move forward and explore the Set Up Passkeys option. By clicking on this, you open the door to setting up a more robust security measure for your account. Passkeys are a modern, secure alternative to passwords. They offer stronger protection against phishing and other forms of security breaches. Setting up passkeys is a proactive step towards safeguarding your accounts from unauthorized access. As you perform these actions, remember the importance of keeping your contact information up to date. Should there be any need for identity verification, it's crucial that the information Hubspot has on file is accurate. After configuring your preferences, always make sure to review the changes you made for any oversights or additional adjustments needed. By following these steps, you've taken responsibility for your account's safety, ensuring that your information remains secure. It's important to occasionally revisit these settings and stay informed about any new updates HubSpot might release. Thank you for watching the video. We hope this guide was helpful to you, and feel free to explore further for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your HubSpot experience. Happy exploring, and remember, keeping your account secure is just a few clicks away.